Hi, host Eric here, and look at this beautiful Hermes typewriter. As a former typewriter collector who had a lot of typewriters, I can tell you these babies are in high demand, especially if you've got all the little things with them. This little brush. I have this brush from a former Hermes that I used to have. If the lid and everything is intact like this, I mean, this is what you get for it approximately on eBay, you know. Then you have to ship it. So it's not a bad price at $100. It's worth it. I just don't have $100 to spend on it right now. But if I did, I would totally get this. These are known as some of the best typewriters made. It's made in Sweden, and they're really sturdy. And a lot of people like this kind of weird lime green aesthetic to it, with this kind of font. I actually don't really like the aesthetic that much, but I respect how sturdily and well made these typewriters are. Thank you.